Hello and welcome to yet another tour. This is of a Premier Plus room at the Premier Inn at Reading South, Grazeley Green. So coming in the door, there are some hooks up there, vanity mirror with lights, hairdryer and power sockets, wardrobe area with spare pillows, hanging space. The Premier Plus rooms get a coffee machine, they get posher coffee and biscuits and etc. There is an iron. I haven't seen an iron. Oh, there's an ironing board hiding behind the clothes, and a fridge which I believe comes with complimentary bottled water. Moving around, there is a seat, large television, plenty of power outlets with USB sockets. Move around, it seems like a very large room. There is a fancy lamp in the corner, two comfy armchairs with a table. This room is air conditioned. Come round, there's looks like a standard Premier Inn bed, nightstands either side again, plenty of sockets with USBs, reading lights, a little bit of art on the wall just there. Come back this way, it's a long way to this corner of the room. Look from this angle here. This is, I think this is a surprise to the people that have booked it. They weren't expecting it, so staying here with family, they didn't realise they'd booked a Premier Plus room or they'd been given an upgrade, so I think they're feeling very honoured. Bathroom, again it's got a bath, Bayless and Harding, slightly posher than the standard body wash looking at the wall over there. Sink and toilet obviously. This room's got fancy lights that change colour and all sorts of stuff. So you can have, if you're feeling blue in the bathroom, or that might be purple, I'm colourblind, I'm not too sure. So I'll just spin back round and just take one final look. This is a Premier Plus room at the Premier Inn, Reading South, Grazeley Green. I'm actually just going to see what you can see out of the window. I don't think you get, I think it just looks like a view of some trees and bushes over there. So yeah, thank you for watching.